Does Nigeria actually still hang people for crimes, or is it just on paper? A few days ago, FCT High Court sentenced Osinachi's husband to death by hanging, and this has sparked a lot of controversy. Some people said he deserved it, and others said in a more progressive country, this barbaric hanging sentence have long been abolished. Well, I'm not here to argue whether he deserves it or not, but then this has raised a question. Does Nigeria actually still hang people for crimes, or is it just on paper? Let me break it down. Yes, death by hanging is still legal in Nigeria. It is clearly provided for offenses under our law, particularly for crimes where the punishments are death sentence, like crimes like murder, armed robbery, and treason. So when a judge pronounced that you're sentenced to death by hanging, they are simply following the law. They are not joking about it. But here's the twist. Execution rarely happens, and here's why. One, no execution by hanging can happen without the state government signing a death warrant, and most governors are reluctant to take that responsibilities, meaning many sentences are never really carried out. Two, convicts who have right to appeal their sentences. While the appeal is going on, execution are put on hold. Then even without an appeal, many persons just stay on death row for decades, living out the rest of their life in prison because execution wasn't really enforced. In fact, the last widely reported execution in Nigeria was in 2013 when 4 people were hanged in Edo State. Before then, nothing like that had happened since 2006. If you want to read more, you can check up the link I attached to this post. So in the case of Osinachi's husband, yes, he has been sentenced to death, but he still has the right to appeal, and if he does, or if the government fails to sign execution warrants, he may still be spending the rest of his life on death row, that is in prison. This is Simply Legal. Stay safe, stay smart, and stay informed. Bye.